Coinbase Wallet, Coinbase account sign up or login. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign up or log in on Coinbase Wallet. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now first things first, you can do so either on the web browser, you can do it on coinbase.com, or you can do so on the application. It's relatively easy on Coinbase application, so I'll recommend you to download the application that you'll get on your Play Store or App Store easily. Once you download it, you want to simply open it up. Once you open it up, here at the bottom you can see sign up and sign in option. Here you can see the interface that you'll get: buy, sell, receive, add cash, card, earn, wallet, recurring buys. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on sign up option, enter in your details here, name, address, email address, and then it'll ask you for a couple of verification if you're 18 plus, and then it'll ask you for verification ID, that is either your passport or your driving license. You'll have to go through the verification process, and only after that you'll be able to sign up once you verify it with your phone number and your email address and your ID. However, if you have already signed up before and now you just want to sign in or log into the account, simply tap on sign in option here, and here it will ask you for your email address. You want to tap on continue, it'll ask you for password or such, and then it'll ask you for verification, and you'll have to go through it and you'll be able to log in. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here because of the security issues within the app. As you know, it is the crypto app. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.